Hello everyone and welcome back to 50 Plus Luxury Style. I am so excited to be with you today. If you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Isabel. I hope that you enjoy it, and if you do, I hope that you will click on that subscribe button down below and hit the bell so you can get notified every time I upload a new video. So today's video is going to be a little bit of a chit chat, a small Louis Vuitton reveal. I have a reveal of something that I picked up at Nordstrom's that is on sale, and I think you guys will really enjoy for the spring and summer. I also have these really cute earrings, very affordable, that I want to share with you. So it's just a little bit of everything. If you're interested, just go ahead and keep on watching. All right, so we're going to go ahead and get started with this right here, and this is my Louis Vuitton reveal, and I'm going to go ahead and show it to you, and then I'm going to go ahead and tell you the story behind this super cute piece. So it came in this drawer box, and inside is the little dust bag. Any guesses? If you follow me on Instagram, you will have already seen this. To reveal the super adorable mini pochette accessoire, or it's also called the micro pochette. So this is what it looks like, and this is from the summer 2019 special edition. It comes with the white monogram and the beige background. It has the green on the front with a very large LV flower in the white and green, and the sides have the beige flowers. This one was released a month ago or so. I was not interested in anything in the giant monogram. Didn't like it, was not really my taste. I appreciate it and I love Louis Vuitton, but that particular line was not for me. However, after a couple of weeks of seeing this gorgeous little cutie everywhere, I really wanted to have her. And I reached out to my SA and I said, you must find one for me. And he did. So this one actually was shipped to me from the Louis Vuitton on 5th Avenue in New York. So she has the gold zipper right here with the LV like the regular pochettes. And the end of the zipper is in the white monogram, and it's got the gold clip, so that you can go ahead and you can clip this to your purse, or you can clip this to a belt. You can clip it to a couple of things. If you go ahead and open her up, inside she has a very pretty beige interior. These were made in Spain, Italy, France, and the US. This one was actually made in France. Hopefully you can see that. Inside we have the little textile card, and also we have this really pretty keychain. So you can definitely put your keys right here if you'd like, and use this as a catch-all, or you can use it for your coins or your cards or lots of different things. She also has this really cute gold kind of detail right here, which is where they have attached the keychain. And on the inside, this is what it looks like. I'm wondering if this is removable. Nope, it's not. You can't open that and kind of detach it, so it is not detachable. But isn't that cute? That is really adorable. So this is the first item that I wanted to share with you. Very happy to finally have gotten my hands on it. So the second item that I want to share with you is from Nordstrom's, and it is actually on sale. So I really want to show you this. And it is this gorgeous skirt. And I will include a mod shop, but this is what it looks like. It is by Fuzzi. The brand is called Fuzzi, and excuse me if that is not the right pronunciation. Fuzzi is an Italian brand established in 1954. This gorgeous pleated maxi skirt is 60% off. It still is a little pricey, but it is 60% off right now on the Nordstrom's website. You can go online and order it, and it has a beautiful tropical print, and it has these beautiful, beautiful pleats. The waist band is elastic, as you can see, and it's gorgeous. It's black, white, pink, red, just beautiful, beautiful colors, perfect for the spring and summer. And this is what it looks like. Now, I picked it up in a size 42, and again, this is European fit. The website does say that it is slimmer fit than US, so you should order a size up. I was in store and they did not have this size. I wasn't sure if I should order this one. This one is a 42, and I think this is equivalent to a size 8, which I usually will take a size 6. They did have the size 40, which would have been the equivalent for a 6, but I did not want to chance it, and I figured I'd order this one, and if it's too big, I can get it altered. And you will see in the photos, it fits just fine. It's a little bit big on the waist, but you know what? I decided I don't think I want to alter it. It's better to be a little comfortable. So I think I'm just keeping this size, but I think it's a gorgeous, gorgeous skirt. Look at that. And I think that you can wear this. You can wear this with heels. You can wear it with flats. You can even wear them with the beautiful leather sneakers that are so much in fashion right now. And I think it's going to look really gorgeous. The fact that it has so many colors, you're going to be able to pair it with your neutrals, your black and white. You've got your pinks, your red. It's just gorgeous. So I really, really recommend for you to check it out. Like I said, just because it's really beautiful material, a really nicely made piece, and 60% off, beautiful colors. So this is the other item that I picked up, and I plan to definitely take this on my trip to Vegas, and I can't wait for that. I will certainly try and do some vlogging. We will see. So and the third item that I want to share with you are these beautiful pearl hoop earrings. Of course, they are not real pearls, but look how adorable they are. And I got these off of Amazon. I just went ahead and did a search, and I picked these. They have just hundreds of them, but I picked these. Very, very affordable. These were $9.99. I did like the way that it closed, so it's got this little clasp on the back. You just put this in through the ear, and then you simply, you simply go like this. So I did like that. And the fact that they are hypoallergenic. I can wear costume jewelry when it comes to earrings, but I can only wear it day by day. So I won't be able to wear any of my costume jewelry like a week in a row because I am sensitive. But I can wear it for 1 or 2 days and I'm okay. And I haven't had any issues. Look at these. These are so, so cute. Very, very cute. And so I'll leave the information down below just because the pearl earrings are definitely in style. And I love them. And these are super, super affordable. So I wanted to definitely share them with you guys. And this will really help you dress up any outfit. Just super, super. All right, and to finish it off, I have these adorable lipstick and lip gloss that I want to share with you. And they are both by MAC. And this is their collaboration with Disney. And this is MAC and Alladin. These are limited edition. And let me just show you. I am wearing both of them, although I've had them on for a few hours. But this is the lip gloss. Now they have 3 different shades. I picked it up in, hold on, sorry. I picked it up. It's so cute. The color is the Magic carpet ride. And look at the gorgeous tube it came in. It's a light shimmery pink. Hopefully you can see it there. There you go. It's just a really, really pretty color. I am so excited. And the best part, it is not sticky, because I really can't stand sticky. So they have this beautiful lip gloss. And then the other thing I picked up, which I am truly, truly loving, is the lipstick. And this one is called Friend Like Me. Comes in a gold bullet style. It says Alladin, and then it's got kind of blue at the bottom. You open it up and look at this gorgeous, gorgeous nude color. And let me show you what it looks like. It is stunning. Look at that. I am totally in love with this. I actually found it on the Saks Fifth Avenue website. I had no idea about this collaboration, and frankly, I have not bought a lipstick from MAC in a while, but wow, I am very, very excited and I love it. I'm actually thinking of ordering another one because these are limited edition and it's a really, really pretty, pretty color. Anyhow, I really wanted to let you know about these because they're really, really beautiful. They feel great on the lips and they're super affordable. So I thought I would share it with you. And that being said, that's all I have for today. I hope that you enjoyed it. Please leave me any questions or comments down below and I will see you soon. Bye. Have a great weekend.